We have our fellow OFWs here, Filipinos, our kabayans. They enjoyed fishing on this Friday morning, and the sun is there. It's very beautiful. The sea is calm. People are walking, jogging, and biking, having a great time on this Friday morning here in Corniche Al Khobar, Saudi Arabia. That is the Lee Meridian Hotel here in Al Khobar, Saudi Arabia. And there it goes, the water tower, which is a famous landmark here in Al Khobar. There goes the Filipino bikers. It's a very good exercise for your cardio. And groups, they are walking and enjoying the sea breeze and cool atmosphere here. It's high tide now, and we'll go to that side so we can walk on the seashore. We have a very good view here of the sunrise. It's now 6:20 in the morning.